Every trader encounters the same question each day. What should you focus on in the market right now? There are countless signals in the markets. But having more signals doesn't guarantee better choices. Too much information can lead to minimal clarity. The key challenge is figuring out what truly matters. Your time is your most precious asset. Traders often don't lose due to poor strategies. They waste time instead. Looking over charts, comparing indicators, overthinking decisions will gradually diminish your focus. Meet REVDEN, a trading intelligence platform designed to simplify complex market data into clear, actionable insights. REVDEN provides structure, context, and clarity. Say goodbye to isolated indicators and scattered signals. It analyzes market structure, trend alignment, volatility, and risk across various timeframes. Signals develop over time, from initial formation to full maturity. Nothing in trading remains static. Everything depends on context. Every signal comes with confidence scores, volatility conditions, and alignment with higher timeframes. You make the call on trades. You retain control. Timing can change everything. REVDEN brings attention to key timing elements, such as major news. Use REVDEN on any device. It operates independently from your trading platform. Available whenever clarity is crucial. REVDEN isn't an entry system, it's an analytical core. It won't make trades or replace your judgment. Instead, it helps you make better decisions. The aim is clear. Spend less time searching and more time concentrating on what's important. REVDEN. Clarity before taking action.